Tell me, Cardi, what'd you do today? Did you play hooky too? You played hooky too, Papa? You did? Played hooky with your brother? Whose idea was it? It was all his idea, huh? You wanted to stay and read. You wanted to stay in school and read. And he just wanted to play hooky. You told him. You told him it's better to stay in school. Huh? Yeah. You tried to tell him? He didn't listen to you? Oh, no. He's a hard-headed one. Oh, no. What happened? You guys got caught? Got caught by the principal playing hooky, huh? Yes. Oh.